That's me back at Adana Airport and I'm about to travel to Istanbul. And I'm quite lucky today as I've managed to get an upgrade to fly business class. Even though it's a domestic flight, I'm flying a long-haul aircraft and I'm going to show you shortly which aircraft it is. I've just checked in for my flight to Istanbul and the domestic terminal seems to be quite full, but there's no air condition, so wearing the mask is a little bit challenging. So I've got my boarding pass and I'll go for security. And I'm just about to go on the big Airbus A330-200 to Istanbul, named after Antalya. Thank you. Hello.
Hello, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
All you. Read online.
Dear passengers, please maintain your social distance while you are in the aisle. We would also like to remind you to wear your masks covering your mouth and nose. Thank you for your cooperation.
I'm just on the Airbus A330-200 and I'm traveling to Istanbul. It's a short flight as it's only 1 hour and a half, but if you want to experience good business class on a bigger aircraft, you should do some domestic flights with Turkish Airlines, as they put this kind of aircrafts quite often on domestic routes. Nice way to experience something different.
Sayın yolcularımız, uçaklarımızdaki havayı 3 dakikada bir yeniliyor. Hava
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this Turkish Airlines flight. We would like to draw your attention to the safety information you need to follow during this flight.
Turkish Airlines cares more about your flight safety than anything else. That's why they go beyond the standards and provide you with TK Extra Care, a high-quality protection protocol for every single point of contact throughout your journey.
When Daddy asked if we'd like to go on a journey, that's my team and I cried, yes! And chop chop, we packed our bags. Our spaceship landed in a whole new world. Cams that scan all the colors in the human body. All those hyper laser sci-fi tech gadgets and the cyborgs.
and gentlemen and their children, welcome to Istanbul Airport, meeting point of the world. We hope that you had a pleasant flight. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off and do not open the overhead bins. You may use your electronic devices. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins when the aircraft reaches its final parking position. Thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. We would like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again. Dear passengers, in order to maintain social distance, please wait for the passenger seated in front of you. When our aircraft reaches its parking position, our business class passengers may leave the aircraft first from the front door. We request that all other passengers remain seated till the second announcement is made. Thank you for your cooperation.
I've just got to Istanbul and I was a little bit surprised that there was no beverage nor food on business class. So I suppose Turkish Airlines has suspended all services on board, even in business class. I mean, it was still a great experience to fly with the airline and I've never been really disappointed, but it's always kind of like a bonus to get this meal on board and drinks. But I suppose I would like to fly with them again when the pandemic is over.